Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a massive Target haul because we are still in quarantine and everything else is closed. No, but seriously, I'm obsessed with Target. I would have been there regardless. Just today, I only needed soap and I ended up with all of these lovely things. I have some really fun fashion finds, trends, and jewelry that I've been wanting to try, but I did not want to pay a lot for. I also have a dupe for you that I am obsessed with. I have some home decor, and I also have some beauty finds, some other things that I just love. They are tried and true, and so I'm excited to share these with you. I've linked them all down below for you in the description, just to make it a whole lot easier for you. And let's get started. So let's start with my favorite face moisturizer. It is WELEDA Skin Food. This is the light nourishing cream. They also have a heavy one. I wouldn't recommend that. This is like already very heavy. I use it for my face morning and night. It is so nourishing, you guys, but it's also not like oily. Oh, I guess I'm putting this on. Okay. Okay, well. Any makeup that was done is now off, but ooh, it is such a good scent. I think it's like chamomile. What is in here?
A vibrant herbal blend of chamomile and calendula.
Invigorating your senses. It is not too strong. It's like so lovely. I'm also trying to go like more green in my products, just being a little bit more conscious of what I am using. No animal testing, free from parabens, free from synthetic fragrances and preservatives. This is like my 8th bottle of this stuff. It's really good. The next one, let's do a dupe. I told you I was gonna do a dupe, and this is like a really good Lululemon dupe, and it is this little pack. I refuse to say fanny pack. I just love to kind of throw them across my chest. You could put it around your waist, but I don't know, I don't want mine to look any bulkier than it could actually is. So I don't do that. Let me show you the Lululemon one. This is the everywhere bag, everyday bag, every something bag. This is mine. It saved me in Hawaii. It saves me when I am going running or out with the kids, and I love it. I love this so much. But look at this one. They also have this color. Well, I wanted purple. Even some of the details are like nicer, like this leather right here. It's a little bit bigger, which I like. You know, it's got a big pocket for for your stuff, and then another little pocket for your unmentionables. So this is so lovely, and it's $20 versus $40. Guys, go get this one. They have lots of other colors as well. Next, let's do these. Let's do my joggers. These are clearly also from Target, and I love them because they are that trendy dip dye jogger set that everyone's wearing, but I did not want to spend $140 just for like the sweatshirt. This is not a trend that is going to last forever. These were $20 like a piece, so $20, $40, and they are so great. They are fleece lined, they are not too heavy, and I love them. They have other different colors, some that don't have the dip dye, but I like them. They also have a hoodie when you don't want to talk to anyone. Ugh. So, you know, super versatile. Yeah, I love these. While we're on the topic of lounging, I also grabbed this hat. I have this in a burnt orange, and I saw it in black and it was calling to me, and it's so cute. It reminds me of like a dad hat. I don't know what it is about finding a good fitting hat, but they're really hard to come by. And this one I love because it's not too low or too high. The bill is not too long or too flat. It's just, it fits my head. All right, what else do we have here? Oh, okay. How about this? You guys, I don't have like a handheld mirror. I don't have one. And this one I love because I could prop it up on something, like my counter. And it also has the magnified side and the regular side, and I could just, yeah. Oh, why didn't anyone tell me that my bun is not in properly? All right, well, yeah, this is great. Super cheap, CONAIR, I love it. A good, easy find. If you've seen my videos before, then you will know that I wear this in basically every video. This is the NYX Butter Gloss. This is the vanilla cream pie, and I saw this kind of corally color and love it. It's $4.99. $4.99? Are you out of your mind? Let's try it on for you with my new mirror. Okay. Oh boy, there are stickers on both. Oh boy. Okay, let's do this side. So moisturizing. Okay. It's a cute color. What is this one? Sorbet. I have one of these in my desk, in my purse, in like everywhere. Yeah, NYX. Good find. You guys, look at this cute blouse that I picked up. It's $24.99. It has these little eyelets, but the sleeves are the main attraction in this one. Isn't that cute? Ah, it's so sweet. I love the puffy sleeves, but they're not too in your face. I love the little flutters and the eyelet, like it's all just jiving, especially for $25. I would spend a lot more for this blouse. Yeah, it's cute. I'm gonna leave this one on. Next, I wanna talk about the trend that I had mentioned. Seashells are really having a moment right now, and I love them. I do love them, but I didn't want to spend a lot for them, and I saw tons of options at Target. I grabbed 2 of my favorites. Here's my goal with seashells. I want to incorporate the trend, but I don't want anyone who doesn't know that it's a trend to think that I am like crafting out of my bedroom, because sometimes a seashell trend can look like a little crafty. So I am trying to find some that look more expensive than they actually were, and that maybe like it's just not like too seashelly in your face. But as I look at this necklace, it's a little seashelly. It is, but it looks more expensive, so I think I can get away with it. Look at this necklace. Isn't that sweet and delicate? It's $17. Let's put this puppy on. I love it with this outfit. This does not look like a $17 Target find. There's some really pretty gold detailing around this necklace, which I love. It makes it look a little bit more luxe and not as if my daughter had strung a seashell for me and gave it to me for Mother's Day. Bless her heart. I mean, that would be adorable, but this is kind of a better option. I've got 2 more items. The first is this silk scarf. It was $15 and it just is so beautiful. It's so pretty. I love the pattern, I love the colors. I can wear with black or brown, so it's just gonna be really versatile. Now, when it comes to scarves, I love to wear them a number of ways. One is around the neck. I also like to tie them around my buns and then around my bags. So those 3 ways are how I utilize my scarves the most. Now that I am wearing practically every single item that I bought, I wanted to share my last item. It's so good. It is a home decor item. I'm a repeat buyer in this because it's cheap and it's practical and it looks really cute. And that is these Hand and Hearth hand towels. I love these because they're cute. They are actually absorbent and they are $7.99. So good. I've also been getting the washcloths and I team these up in my bathroom together and they are just like the cutest little duo. Thank you for joining me in my Target haul today. I had fun. I mean, I always have fun with Target. If you liked what I shared, it's down below. If you have picked up some recent things that you love at Target, let me know what they are. I am always looking for another reason to go buy more soap. So please share with me what you love. I will see you guys next time. I will also post some of my favorite videos up here if you want to keep watching my channel. Bye guys.